Once you create your project, you will notice it in your project list, and you can open that project by hovering over the title and clicking on the title. Before I do this, I do want to point out a couple of other items on this view screen. One is you can create a to-do list of steps you need to complete while you are in this or working on this project. So if I open my to-do list, I can see that I created 2 and I gave myself a due date for each of these. I can check off that item when it's completed, and it changes color from red to blue, and it has a little check mark there. I'm also able to delete that. I can create another to-do item down on the lower portion of this menu by clicking on the new to-do, and I might make a note of like color code note cards so they are organized by topic. And I can assign my due date. So maybe I want to make sure that's done by next week. I would click add. And then I'll see my next list of things to do here. I'm going to close this view. The other piece after that to-do list is you will see how many sources you have cited for the project, how many note cards you have for the project, and how many attachments you have for the project. So an attachment would be a document that the teacher gave you with the instructions for the overall project. Okay, I can see that I have 1 note card, so I have quite a ways to go, and I only have 1 source right now. Okay, so now the next step is to actually open that project.